What's up YouTube, it's Sean here and I am back today to give you guys a review of the Kiko Kostadinov collaboration with Asics on the Gel-Delva and the Tai-Chi yellow colorway. Today's video is sponsored by Rose Gold and Black. So they're an Australian-based men's jewelry and accessory company producing some very high quality, wearable and versatile products. So if you visit the link below, you'll see exclusive pricing for my viewers only, and they've put up on that link some of my personal favorites from their product lines. So be sure to check them out and show them some love. So now back to the shoes. So these mark the latest collaboration between renowned fashion designer Kiko Kostadinov with Asics. If you guys haven't seen my previous review, which I posted a few months back, I'll add that link to the video down in the description box below. So this colorway, which is officially Tai-Chi yellow and taupe gray, released alongside two other colorways earlier this month. They retail for a price of $300 US or $340 here in Canada, and locally they're available at select boutiques such as Haven. Personally, I want to give a big thank you to Asics Canada. They sent me over this pair and coincidentally, this one was my favorite of the three. So jumping straight into the shoe, these blend high-end fashion with streetwear. The base layer of this shoe is constructed using this yellow engineered mesh. However, overlaid on top of the mesh, this is the portion that most people can see. We have this ribbed pattern overlay, which gives this shoe a very unique look. Wrapping around the edge of the toe box, we have this additional overlay in orange, which gives you added reinforcement and durability. Running up the center area of the shoe where the eyelets are, this is covered in overlays of taupe gray, which breaks up all the yellow that's found on the shoe. And then on both the lateral side and the medial side of the midfoot, we have the Asics stripes, and this is partially hidden by that ribbed pattern that's found on the exterior. The laces in this case is an oval shaped lace in yellow, and then underneath the laces we have your tongue, which is constructed out of a yellow mesh, and then at the very top we have the Asics branding done in orange. As we move towards the back end of the shoe, so around this top ankle collar area, here we have this black netting which gives it this crosshatch effect. And then providing additional support for your heel, we have this deep orange colored TPU heel cup with inserts of 3M found in the middle. And then finishing this off, we have this yellow heel pull tab. So the interior of these Gel-Delvas is constructed using this yellow textile, and as I pull out the insole, here we have this very well padded yellow insole with Kiko Kostadinov branded on the left foot and the Asics logo on the right foot. So the upper of these Gel-Delvas sits atop this full-length flight foam midsole. The entire midsole is done in yellow, and you'll see both underneath the forefoot and along the bottom heel, we have Asics gel technology which gives you added impact protection. If I flip the shoes over to the medial side, you'll see that there's this dual max branding. So essentially what this is Asics implements a stiffer foam which supports the medial side of your foot, and this is to address people that overpronate or roll their foot inwards on their strides. As I turn these over to the bottom, so here we have your outsole. So this is entirely done in yellow rubber, and found in the middle we have this TPU bar that runs diagonally, and this gives you added torsional support and midfoot rigidity. In terms of sizing, so my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and Asics Canada sent me these guys in a size 10. Overall, they fit me very well, so I'd recommend sticking true to size for these guys. For comparison's sake, for older Asics models, which most of you guys probably have worn, like the Gel Lite 3, for that model I wear a size 10.5, so these Gel-Delvas are definitely more true to size. From a comfort standpoint, so flight foam is actually very comfortable. The foam isn't too soft where your feet feels fatigue after a long time wearing them, but there's a good balance between giving you that support that you need and the soft plush feeling. However, one thing I'm not huge about is that I am an underpronator, so when I walk, my feet actually roll outwards. So having this dual max system in place actually doesn't help me at all. And in fact, if anything, it even promotes my foot rolling outwards even more. So that's the one thing I didn't love, but aside from that, from an actual cushioning, lightness, and breathability standpoint, these were pretty good. So with all that being said, now let me lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. I already know that this shoe isn't going to be for everyone. There's a ton of detail going on in this shoe, and frankly, I could see why the design is kind of polarizing. However, the comfort is on point, Quality is pretty good, and the color scheme, I gotta say, I personally love. Yellow is one of my favorite colors, and I personally don't have too many shoes in my collection that are this loud and this striking. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of these Kiko Kostadinov Gel-Delvas. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. Once again, a thank you goes out to Asics Canada for sending me this pair, and before we sign off, one final thank you goes out to the sponsor for today's video, Rose Gold and Black. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys liked this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.